Hey, beautiful people, welcome back. Today I'm going to prime. Not today, I always prime my face. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty primer, and we prime because we don't want all that foundation to be soaking in our skin, so it's like a barrier. Also, to let the foundation stick better, and yeah, it is good to prime. So I'm also going to prime my eyes, and I'm using the LA Pro concealer in yellow to prime my eyes, and I'm just using this brush to pat it out, which I will go into with my sponge for even base, and then set it with my Stasha Buttercup. We set it because I work better when it's in a powder state than when it's in a wet state. Like, I cannot work with that. However, we're going to go in with this color from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're going to do windshield and also circular motions to blend this color in. Now this is our transition color, and you want to blend in as much to get as much pigment as you want. When I tell you guys, this color is amazing. It doesn't show much, but it is. So we're going with a darker shade, and I did change my brush. It's more like a tapered blending brush. So I'm just more going into the crease area, because when I cut my crease, I still want that darkness to show. However, when I'm cutting my crease, I do realize if I put a darker color, it doesn't really show, and that's because I try not to bring my eyeshadow too much up to where my brow is. So sometimes that color get lost in the midst, but hey, it's still a nice cut crease at the end of the day. So I'm going with this darker shade now, because we really want to darken that up. And when I tell you, these three colors, they are so beautiful. If you should see it in person, guys, you would want to put this on your eye, even just by itself. It is amazing. Now guys, if you're new to my channel and you like makeup looks, hit the subscribe button. Join the family. You're always welcome here, okay? You're welcome to the craziness. I swear I look like a guy here. Comment down below. I do look like a guy here. Oh my god, I just need a rough voice. Alright, so we're going with the concealer that we used previously, and I'm going to look up to get create a guideline to where I want to cut my crease, and I'm just going to go straight into cutting my crease. Also guys, I want you to bear in mind, whenever you're cutting your crease, please to take your time. Cut crease take time, and even this, I had to go in so many times to perfect it, and it's still not perfect. Okay, so I'm going to blend out, take off the excess powder, and also blend out the edges, because we don't want a sharp edges. So that's what I'm doing, and this is how it looks. I'm also going to show you guys how it looks. So moving on, we're using our transition color first, just to blend out that edges some more and bring it more towards the inner eye. And then we're going to go in with the second color. Basically, the colors that I used on my lid previously, that's what we're going to go in with here. And then the last color will be like the dark color. So this shimmer is from Amazon, and I remember I'll definitely put it in the description so you can check it out. It's a really nice pigment. It's like a goldish yellowish type pigment. I'm just gonna pat that on, and then I'm going to try to blend out any harsh lines that's there. I know this may be taking really long on the eyes, but just follow me, guys. So we're going to use the NYX glitter primer, and I'm just gonna dab a couple, and then I'm going to go in with the mermaid scale glitter. I'm just gonna pat that in on my inner eye. Now this is the liner that I'm using. I'm not going to do my liner on camera, but I'm just showing you. And these are the lashes. The lashes are by Eye Envy, and I bought them at my local beauty store. They were like really cheap. So this is just me applying it, taking my time. You really want to make your glue dry before going on. And if you're a makeup artist or you do makeup, do you struggle with eyeliners? Because I do. I can never get it to like perfect. So we're gonna apply our mascara. I did went ahead and finished the other eye, and we're going into foundation. Let me tell you, foundation is what I love to do. Okay, when I reach the foundations, I am all for it. I'm here, like I'm more for foundation than anything. So the two foundations are MAC and Maybelline in Warm Coconut. I'm just blending that out. If this foundation look a bit lighter than my skin, it is not really. It's the camera, the lighting, and also my neck is darker than my chest, so it just makes it look like my face is really light. But yeah, so I'm going in with my sponge to just tap off the excess. And here now we're at the concealer. We're gonna conceal our eyes, and I did blend LA Pro concealer in Toffee and a little of my foundation, as I wanted that natural looking under eye without looking too bright but still give the coverage. So that's what I did. So I'm using the sponge to blend it out, because I find that it's kind of easier and blend out really fast. Now we're going in with our brush, foundation brush, to brush out those edges that, you know, your concealer may leave, because you don't want that. You don't want a harsh line. You want everything to just blend seamlessly. So we're going to set, and I know the video is going really fast, but you could always slow it down, guys. We're going to set with our Sacha Buttercup, and I really like this setting powder. And then I'm going in with the Laura Mercier to set my overall face. I love this powder. It's just, it matches my foundation, and it just makes everything blend in really, really well. Guys, do not sleep on that Real Technique powder brush. Oh my god, I love it. It's so soft and it's everything. Now I'm going to do another portion of setting around my mouth, because it creases a lot. So I am going to set there and make it bake a little. So we're going to contour. My favorite part, when I tell you this is my favorite part, it's the Anastasia contour kit in medium to tan, and I'm just using my Morphe brush. It's like an angle brush, and it really does the job really good. So I'm just not bringing it out too much, just focusing right there. And then, because we're gonna bronze, and this is where watch the joke. Yep, and I was like, oh my god, too much. But we fixed that with our powder brush. We just blend it really nicely, and everything just fall right in place. Now you see how natural that just it blends so naturally. So I did remove those excess powder moving forward in the video. Not sure I had a clip, but we're going to move on to the eyes. And the same colors, guys, the same colors. We're just gonna put it under our eyes and line our inner we call it waterline, and put some mascara. That's it for the eyes. So we're setting with our Maybelline Infallible setting spray. Really want to set it, and we're gonna blush. I love blush, guys. From I discovered this blush, it's my favorite. It's by Black Radiant, and I love it, love it, love it. Now, this a trick that I found out, or personally I really like it on myself. I like to mix my blush into, or my highlighter into my blush, because I feel like it just give it more of a healthy looking type of glow when the blush is mixed in there. So even though you see I go over with the highlighter, I did went in with the blush and put it in there also. Now we're gonna put some more highlights, and we're just putting it at the cheek, so it looks like I'm always smiling, but I'm not. Yeah, I really like this highlighter, guys. You should definitely go get it. Now we're going to line our lips, and I'm using the NYX lip liner in brown. Love this lip liner. It is so nice. I always go back to it for some reason, and I'm just giving you a better view of these gorgeous lips. And this video is really long, and I'm really sorry, but I do try to cut it down, but I do want to be more, you know, informative, so hence why it's so long. But I hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, so we're going to apply this ColourPop lipstick, liquid lipstick. I don't remember the name of it. I think it's Atoll. I could be wrong, but it would be in the description. And I really love how this came out. I did remake this look that I posted on Instagram, but it was with nude lips, like dark brown. But I decided, you know what, I'm gonna change up the lip a little, and voila. Look at you, girl. Yes, we're gonna pull out the hair, slay for you guys, and stay for the slow mo. Okay. Now, guys, if you enjoyed the video, remember to hit that subscribe button. Join the family. You're always welcome here. And look at that glow. Look at that glow. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys so much.